Y'all, it's oil change time again. Get this oil change real quick. See if I can do it fast. Like last time. I think I did last time. I did it in less than 30 seconds. So, I mean, not 30 seconds. 30 minutes. 30 seconds of a bad boy. I need to open my own business. I'll do it in 30 seconds. About 150 miles over my oil change, so not too much, but I need to go ahead and get it done. Hopefully I ain't go too far. Like I usually do. Bag back a little bit. All right, let's get this oil changed. Better say that I keep the camera. Shoot. This reservoir that I put the oil in be hard to get off. I don't know why it be hard to get off sometimes. It don't be wanting to come off. All right, let's get this oil changed. See if we can do it in record time. Still pretty warm, so I'm gonna have to watch it. I just drove home from work, so should still be pretty warm. Watch me know how to write. Socket. Cause it's missing off here right now. I done dropped it somewhere. Get the glove off. I think it's a 14 or it might be a 15. I'm gonna use my, if I can get it all that good. I'm gonna use my metric side. If I can get it out of here. See if I got the right one. This is 11/16. All right, flip around screen. We got an oil leak under here, y'all. Trying not to get no oil on us. Keyword, try. It just shows splash everywhere when they get to drop, when they're about to drop off. We got a little bit on the camera screen. Let me wipe that off. Yeah, I couldn't find the my dadgum Mopar filter, so I had to get a Fram filter. I think this is the first time. I think the last couple times I had to hunt down the Mopar filter. But hopefully I got the right Fram. I try to go what I know, so I'm so forgetful. It kind of helped me out, not changing up how I'm doing stuff. Got an oil leak, y'all. This dadgum oil pan. I need to get a gasket for it. Let it drip a little bit more, and then we'll go up to the filter up here. I might end up having to get a whole new oil pan because I think I done. Get my tobacco about to fall off. I don't see I didn't cross threaded it, but you can stand for some new. A new oil pan, I think. Because I remember when I first changed the oil, it looked a little weird on the drain plug, and then I brought a new drain plug. I think it was already too far gone when I brought the new drain plug. All right, we're gonna plug her back up. We go to the oil filter. Fill her up. And we'll be done. I'm gonna run over to ride the motorcycle over to my girlfriend's parents' house. I've been trying to film a video of me every day. At least closing my exercise ring every day. Getting 30 minutes of exercise. So, how much I got right now? I only got like 6 or 7 minutes, so I have to do about 24 to 23 minutes of exercise on the exercise bike. I like riding bikes, y'all, so that's why I then decided to ride the exercise bike that they got. They got a Proform exercise bike, kind of like a Peloton, but I think Peloton the top dog, but that Proform, it's pretty nice too, though. I like it. All right, let's get this oil filter off. Stay on track. We can't be regressing. We gotta keep getting better and better. All right, let's get this oil filter off. Like I said, hopefully I had the right oil filter. Cross my fingers. I'm notorious for getting the wrong stuff, so. See if I can go without getting oil off. It didn't get off my oil, so that's good. It got on the glove. It's close to getting on me though. Uh-oh. It almost got me, y'all. Try not to make a mess. It's a little warm, a little warm. All right. All right, let's put some oil in this other filter. Put her on there. I alternate what I use. Let's see if I can get the filter out the car. Like I said, I had to get a Fram filter this time. Couldn't find a Mopar filter. I just didn't want to go hunt it down, because I already went to 2 stores. That's enough. I didn't want to have to go hunt it down. I didn't want to have to go hunt it down. Show y'all what we got here. Oh, it'll be our thumbnail too. All right, y'all. Put some oil in this filter. Camera back under here. Yeah, it's the right one. I done made the mistake a couple of times getting the wrong filter. So that's why, like I said, I just try to stick to what I know. It helps me in not getting the wrong stuff. Helps me to not get the wrong stuff. All right. See if we can get this filter on here without dropping no oil. Which I'm already doing. All right, now, I'm telling you, I got the wrong thing. I'm about to say, it was gonna be sitting here. I wasn't finna go. Oh, no. Hopefully y'all can see. All right, let's go up top. I'm gonna wipe this stuff down some more again. If I can find some paper towels. Ugh. Sit down up on there. Yeah, this oil pan leaking, y'all. All right, let's go up top. We done under the bottom. See what we're running like 18 minutes. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. Set her down. Set her down. And we're gonna beat the record last time, y'all. See how she look, y'all. Alright, 24 minutes. Did good, y'all. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all be good. All right.